All right, welcome back, my dear student. So I decided to actually create an image. We're gonna be uploading an image here, and then for our home page, and we're going to be doing that for About Us page. And you can put whatever image you want. I'm just making this extra lecture just because I like what I do and I like helping you guys out. All right. So what we're gonna be doing here in this main directory in HTML here, we're gonna be creating another folder called images, like this, images. All right, there we go, and right here. And now here we're going to be uploading some files which I'm going to provide to you if you don't want to have your own images. And I suggest you use your own images, you know, just because they are your own images. All right, so I'm going to go to website here. I got some images here that I'm going to use. This home page image. I'm going to download the next one, which is me. There we go. All right, so now if I go reload here, we got those images there. Now we need to make them work with our website, right? So let's go back to that HTML. Go. And let's go to our index where we need to make that one work. That home page. All right. So we need to link, instead of having this placeholder we need to link to our images folder, and then we need to the name of the image, home page image.jpg. All right, save. If I go to that home page, you can see that it is working now. All right, now for About Us page, let's go to About Us page. Well, about that HTML page, edit, and take that out, and we are going to be linking to images, and then me.jpg. Save. Super easy stuff, right? Refresh, and as you can see, is as easy as cake to do this. All right, so our website is looking better by the minute. We keep adding stuff to make it look really good. All right, it's up to you now to make it look even better and to function even better. So use your imagination, use some of the knowledge you learned from this course, and make this better. I would try to add lectures once in a while here just to show you guys some more stuff, but we're done with the course, and I just keep adding some lectures here and there. All right, if you feel this course helped you a lot, please don't forget those 5 stars. They help me get a really good going in the day. All right, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you don't want to give a review, that's okay. I'm not pressuring you. It's up to you. I'm happy doing what I do to help you guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next lectures.